Welcome! In today's video, I'm sharing simple and effective tips for silicone casting.
How I prepare and cast silicone. This tutorial focuses on casting silicone in a silicone glove mold. The mold chosen for today can be improvised and adapted. It's a beautiful set that includes full arms and full legs. In this specific case, the mold has a side opening, so the first step is to close that opening to prevent silicone from leaking out. I do this by using pins, which I'll demonstrate in the video. After placing the pins in the silicone glove mold, I clean the outside area with acetone. This step is important so the silicone adhesive/glue bonds properly and seals the opening. Once the adhesive has fully dried, I take the mold release spray and shake it very well, and spray it inside the mold to prepare it for casting. From there, the mold is ready for the silicone pour. As you can see here, I'm using a wide straw to help the spray reach deep inside the fingers of the mold, where it normally wouldn't reach on its own. I use the straw as an extension tool, gently massaging the fingers of the mold to make sure the mold release spray gets all the way inside. You can repeat this application about 3 times. After each application, let it dry for around 30 minutes, then apply again. This method helps guarantee that the release agent reaches the very bottom of the mold, especially in small, detailed areas like fingers. That's exactly what you're seeing me do here, using a straw to extend the spray and ensure full coverage inside the mold. As you can see now, I'm placing the pins on the outside of the mold to fully close the opening. This helps seal the mold properly and allows for a cleaner, more transparent silicone seam. Next, I take gauze and clean this outside area using acetone and alcohol. This step is very important because silicone surfaces can be oily, and I want to make sure the next step adheres correctly. By cleaning and sterilizing the area with acetone and alcohol, I ensure that the silicone adhesive will bond properly and that there will be no leaking where the pins were placed on the outside of the mold. That's exactly what you're seeing me explain and demonstrate in the video right now. This silicone adhesive works like a glue to properly seal the seam, the opening line of the mold. I apply it carefully with a brush and then allow it to dry. You can always check the manufacturer's instructions, but I usually wait about 40 minutes to make sure it is fully set and well sealed. This type of silicone adhesive is easy to find and can be purchased at most art supply or craft stores, as long as it is a silicone adhesive or silicone glue.
Now I'm going to demonstrate how I hang my molds. I use what I call a silicone casting rack. It's a custom rack I made to suspend the molds while they receive the silicone, almost like a silicone clothesline. For this, I use curtain clips with strong clamps. They hold the mold very securely, grip the silicone well, and at the same time do not damage the silicone mold or create holes. These are curtain clips I originally found at IKEA, and I really like them because they are strong, reliable, and safe for silicone. I hang the molds on this rack so everything stays stable, protected, and well positioned. I've been casting this way for a long time and I've never had any problems. This is my preferred method for casting, with the molds hanging, and that's exactly what I'm explaining and showing in this part of the video. Quick safety reminder: always work in a well-ventilated area. Use latex-free gloves to avoid contaminating your silicone and wear a protective mask. I personally like 3M respirator masks with 6006 filters when working with aerosols. They offer great protection. Work safe, protect yourself, and respect your art. Safe artist, safe arty. Now this part is very important. Pay attention to the design of your mold. If the arm or leg is bent, like the one I'm showing here, you cannot hang the mold straight up and pour everything at once because the silicone may not reach the fingers or toes. You'll end up with hollow spots and missing tips. So here's what I do. Step 1. I hang the mold at an angle, So gravity helps the silicone flow directly into the hand or foot area first, especially the fingertips. I pour the first batch to fill the lower section, and I let it cure. Step 2. Once that bottom section is cured, and I know the fingers are filled, I change the clips and reposition the mold upright. Now the mold is straight, and I pour a second batch to fill the upper section and finish the arm or leg all the way to the top. So again, bent mold equals 2 pours. First angled to fill fingers/toes, then upright to finish the top. Straight, relaxed mold equals 1 pour is usually fine because the silicone can travel straight down naturally. You'll see me doing that repositioning in the video. This simple change prevents bubbles and prevents empty fingertips. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this new channel made to help beginners in silicone art. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe. And if you have questions, leave a comment below. Tell me what kind of video you'd like to see next to help your work. I'll be back soon with a new one.
Thank you. And see you soon.